Hello everyone, welcome to 20-minute recipe, a platform where you can get different recipes for quick meals and also you can make different customization for your meals. You can access the recipes without any account directly, and in the customize section you can do weekly meal planning or create your own recipes, or you can check your recipes that are being created by you. So this is how you can create your recipe, add the details and other things here, and you can see them here. And in the customization section, let's say I want to make meal planning for 16th April and I want it for dinner. So I will add all the ingredients that are needed for that. And you will be getting all the ingredients that are needed for this week here. You can check them out and save them. You will be getting timely emails and reminders about your meal planning. And we are trying to add few other new features to enhance our user experience. We are trying to add AI related things so that your health journey gets much easier. My main motto is to make everyone eat healthy, stay healthy. Have a great day.